So, welcome to a beautiful day outside, and well, there's some chemtrails going on there, but it's a beautiful day besides. Nice and warm out for a change. Back on the Chrysler 300 project. By the way, welcome to the ETSN Hunt channel. I'm Daniel. Dan for short. A project here. I can't say that I'm working on it, but it's being worked on. It kind of broke down when they didn't plow the driveway here, and it kind of been sitting since. I just got it running a little bit ago, and it was loud as heck. So here, let's take an underlook on the underside of the 300. Gonna take you down. Gonna spin around and get down here. It's harder and harder every year to get down under these. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, here we're under the 300. It's on jack stands, at least a pair right now. This is what I've been working on. I don't know, I'm gonna have to switch the camera. Hang on. Here, well, I'll just flip it. Let's see if we'll get it there. Blob jobs. And, of course, all the way back there. I don't know how much you've seen of that, but it's going to be fixed back here too. I guess there's another problem back here. Let's get up and roll off from under. Excuse me. Tire. Need there. I gotta bring the compressor out for the. I got some tires I gotta air up. And then there's another problem back here. Oops, too full. I gotta shut off.